You know, we're a sport that's bright and bold and colorful, and it's got a lot of energy. So to have a video wall that can display that same kind of content that really emulates what our sport is about, it really did live up to that dream and that expectation. We were excited, had a vision for our audio-visual in our executive boardroom. From one end of the table to the other, it's quite a big distance. And we needed something that, if our executive team was sitting on the far end from the wall, be able to see presentations, be able to see financial results. By filling up the entire wall with the video display, we now are able to provide that in a much brighter, clearer imagery. Downstairs, the Daytona 500 room was really our entrance to our facility here in our headquarters, and it needed to be something that was impactful and meaningful to really bring to life our sport, so that as people entered our building, they could get that feeling, that emotion of what NASCAR is all about. We host a lot of people here, a lot of our marketing partners, our sponsors who are in the sport, and that video wall was something that we wanted to do to really make it a really impressive image on those people who are visiting us. The minute that we are able to energize the video wall and turn it on and see it for the first time, we knew we had a home run, and Planar basically delivered on everything we had asked from them and actually exceeded in many ways. It's been a real pleasure to have them as a partner, but more importantly, be able to showcase their products and for us to really effectively use them in a way that we had hoped for when we originally set out for the objectives for installing them.